Welcome back to Sense of Science, everyone. A very good day to you. So, in today's class, we'll be targeting half-life of a zero-order chemical reaction from the chapter of chemical kinetics. Let's begin. Before going to the details of the derivation, we should note that half-life is the time taken for the concentration of reactants to reach half of the initial value. Okay, that time in which the reactant concentration will be half of the initial concentration of reactant. So, suppose the initial concentration is equal to R naught. Initial concentration is equal to R naught, and at half-life the concentration has to reduce. So the concentration and the half-life will be R naught by 2, half of initial concentration, half of the initial concentration. Okay, that is the meaning. Now to solve the half-life of a first zero order chemical reaction, you should already know the integrated rate equation from a zero order chemical reaction. You should know that the integrated rate equation, I'm so sorry, just a second, I apologize for the handwriting problem. Now it will be fine. Rate equation, yeah, it's good now. So integrated rate equation for a zero order reaction is R is equal to minus KT plus R naught. Okay, where R naught is the initial concentration and R is the concentration at the time t, at t. Okay, now from here you should know that the equation in terms of K, if we write this equation in terms of K, this equation becomes K is equal to R naught minus R by T. By transposing and rearranging the term, I get this equation, and therefore the equation for T will be R naught minus R by K. Just interchanging these two values. Okay, interchanging these two values, I get this equation for T. Alright, these two values. So simply now what I should do is at T half, that means at half-life, we know that the concentration of the reactant becomes half of the initial concentration and R naught becomes half of R becomes half of R naught. So just substitute that value. So T half is equal to R naught. R naught is initial concentration. This will be the same only. And what is R? R is the concentration at T half, and concentration at T half is half of R naught. R naught by 2. Write this value upon K. Alright. Now solve it further. You can get that T half, just take the LCM. So I'll do it in the next page. So I got the expression that T half is equal to R naught 2 R naught minus R naught by 2. By taking the LCM, we get this expression divided by K. Solving it further, T half is equal to R naught by 2 divided by K. Divided by K can also be written as into 1 upon K. Okay, this is fine. Divided by K can be written as into 1 upon K. And then the final expression comes at R naught by 2K is equal to T half. So this is the half-life of your reaction. Okay, zero order reaction. Zero order reaction means concentration of reactant is the rate of reaction is independent of concentration of reactant. Alright, this is the final expression. Now a conclusion, you can be asked any time for any reaction. You can be asked, just like we calculated T half, you can be asked T 90%, time when 90% of reaction is done, then T 3 by 4, anything you can be asked. So what is the golden rule? First is you should know the rate equation, okay, which is R is equal to R naught, this is for zero order reaction only, minus KT. And second is know the concentration at that time, that at half-life R became half of R naught. Okay, this was at half-life, okay, at T1 by 2. So similarly you have to check that at what particular life what will be the concentration, and then you will substitute this value in the equation and you get the answer simply. So this was such an easy way to calculate the half-life of zero order reaction. Similarly we can calculate everything for zero order, first order, second order, third order, nth order. Okay, so we'll be coming up with more videos for that. Stay tuned to the channel, and for more videos regarding chemical kinetics, just type chemical kinetics by Sense of Science and you would get the playlist and watch the videos. In case you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and do not forget to like. Thank you. Take care.